Shocking facts about red pandas. Meet the red panda, a fascinating creature with a fiery coat. Native to the Himalayas, they are small but mighty survivors. Did you know, unlike giant pandas, red pandas aren't bears? They're the only living species of their family, Iluridae. Their diet is primarily bamboo, but they also enjoy fruit, acorns, and eggs. Yes, they're omnivores, not strictly herbivores. Their fiery red fur does more than just make them adorable. It's camouflage, helping them blend in with mossy trees in their habitat. Last but not least, these unique creatures are sadly endangered. Let's join hands to safeguard their future.